So let's say you want to change one of the parameters. You want to change the where the rectangle is. Well then, first you'd have to change the x and then the y. But then you also have to change where the circle is and so on. But there is a way to make this process faster. They're called variables. To make a variable, all you need to do is write var. Then you can write any letter or word and it doesn't have any spaces. For example, hello. You can name your variable anything you want. And then you write equals. And then you write the number you want to assign the variable to. To use a variable, you just copy the text and put it there. There you go. Okay then. So you're probably going to say, that's great. But how can I have a variable that can change wherever you place it? Well, yes, you can have different variables instead of just trying to keep it in the same space. So let me just make this a bit bigger. So we're going to round the numbers to the nearest value. And what we're going to do is we're going to get our variable, which we're going to call base, or the flag base. Then we're gonna add base here. But what about this one? What you can do is you can write base plus, which adds 1 to it. Or you can add 100 or 200. This way, you can rescale it however you like. You can do this with anyone. You can also do it using ellipses. So now you can always change it. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.